Well, what got me into Dexter? I don't really know. I suppose there's the generic answer that all Dexter nerds give, which is, I feel like Dexter mimics a lot of human interaction with people, and we all do that, don't we? But really it's because I just like it. I couldn't tell you why. It's pretty badass. I have appeared as an extra on Dexter. It was really bizarre to be like sitting on the sets that I had watched for, years on TV. I was a huge fan by the time I actually got on there initially because I'm a huge nerd for the show. So I had met some people who work with the show and they got me in. As an extra, you're not really supposed to actually physically talk to the actors, so I haven't really spoken to a lot of them that often because I'm terrified of them. But it's really exciting. I mean, everyone there has been very welcoming, and I don't know, I'm such a nerd. It's all exciting and terrifying. I have a podcast that some of my friends and I do about Dexter called Let's Talk About Dex. It's on iTunes. We have a website, letstalkaboutdex.com. We're on Facebook. We're on Twitter at Dex Education. We're on Tumblr. We make these Dexter-themed cocktails, and people have posted our recipes on Pinterest, so I'm pretty sure we've arrived. There's a character named LaGuerta who has a reputation for being kind of treacherous. So one of our cocktails is called the Dirty LaGuerta. It's a beautiful cocktail. She's a beautiful person, and you're supposed to throw it in the nearest person's face.